my soul. Why am I like this? Something's always amiss. Can't put my finger on it, but it's there. Wait for it to subside, but my mind won't apply. Waiting for the clear. Is it bad? Sometimes I like it when I lose control. There's something in it that's so beautiful. Listen, I can see the light of day, but I can also see the bones decay. I don't know what else there is to say. I'm doing my best not to run away. Sitting throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it'll cave in and swallow me whole. Wondering how the world keeps on spinning, kinda scared of living when it unfolds. Hard to see the light when everything is dying, waiting for the clear. Thankful I'm alive, but terrified of dying. But hey, I'm still here. Is it bad? Sometimes I like it when I lose control. There's something in it that's so beautiful. Listen, I can see the light of day, but I can also see the bones decay. I don't know what else there is to say. I'm doing my best not to run away.
I didn't go to that Black Lives Matter thing that was happening today. I wanted to. Had a few things come up. I may or may not be going tomorrow, but I doubt it. There's been protests, marches, all that stuff around Minneapolis area because Derek Chauvin is going on trial starting tomorrow.
More cooler. Get it.
So, what are you doing?
Sorting magic cards.
Do you want help? Where do I start?
Just grab and sort.
Now, I can't believe this. I'm not saying this in a bad way, but I can't believe that I don't have an issue with the Axe spray right now. Because usually with the Axe spray, I'm gagging because of the whatever spray, deodorant spray you used.
Natural, all natural.
No, I think what it is I think I have more of an issue with the box of stuff in there than I do with the body spray. So, yeah. Granted, I know you know I don't mean anything bad about the box because that box had to be, you said what you said. And I'm not trying to talk shit here. And, yeah, you know what I'm saying, right?
These skies have a different light. Why noise that keeps me up at night? I can't help but think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize. I replay the memory of you. It's been hard, you know I wanted to stay caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time overdue, but I'm coming home. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time overdue, but I'm coming home. Hold on to my embrace this time, I promise it won't break. I'm hoping that things haven't changed. Life took us far apart, but it never took away my heart. Have you been holding it safe? Stay out till morning and head out exploring. Make up for months that we've missed. Cause your lips are calling and my heart's recalling the way I can never resist. Cause it's been hard, you know I wanted to stay caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time overdue, but I'm coming home. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time overdue, but I'm coming home.
Hello, kitty. Hello, kitty. Are you trying to steal my camera, kitty? Do you want to watch the computer, kitty? I will allow you to watch the computer, kitty. Let me get it all set up, kitty. So we have the kitty watching the birdies. The kitty watching the birdies. Come on, birdies, show up. Are you happy, kitty? Well, somebody is extremely interested in this video. Yeah, prove me wrong. You are really interested in this. I did not think you would be this interested in watching birds. And I have found out I have to support the back of the computer in case this happens. Oh, you are so... I think you almost have this whole thing figured out, Cat. And you figured out how to mute the thing. Let's see if I can fix it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Yes, I got you. And you are really playful tonight, aren't you? Well, I guess I'm going to end the video here. I do kind of have a couple things planned for tomorrow. Technically today, since it's 1 a.m., but still, I do have some stuff planned, so... Or kind of, sort of planned. So, I've got backups, I've got this, that, and the other. So, let me know what you guys think I'm going to do. If you made it this far, give me a like, subscribe if you haven't, hit that bell notification, and all that stuff.